Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can remove background of an image. As you see here, we changed this image to this one in PowerPoint. If you want to learn this, watch to the end. But first, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. I just delete this one, select this one, Control copy, Control V. I just copy and pasted the image. Select the image. Here we have picture format. We have remove background. Just mark areas to keep. Zoom in. For example, I want to protect this one. I want appear this. Good. Good. This time, mark areas to remove. I want to remove this, remove this, remove this. Okay. Let's check. You see, here it's not good. The left leg. I want to change it more. Remove background. Mark areas to keep. Zoom in. Mark here to keep the area. This one also. Now I think it's good. Good. Let's see. Keep changes. Now it's perfect. That's all. Have a nice time.